In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit content in a rich text module in HubSpot. We'll work right inside the content editor, whether you're updating a website page, a landing page, or a blog post. Start by looking to the left toolbar and clicking the plus icon. This opens the panel where you can add modules to your page. At the top of that panel, use the search bar to type rich text. When the rich text module appears, simply drag and drop it into the spot on your page where you want the content to live. You'll see placeholder text appear in the module right away. You can delete it and type your own copy or keep it temporarily as you adjust formatting. To style anything, highlight the word sentence or paragraph you want to change and use the toolbar above the text field. The first drop-down controls your text type. Choose from heading 1 through heading 6, block quote, div, and pre-formatted. Headings create structure and help visitors and search engines understand your content hierarchy. Use higher numbers for subheadings to keep things consistent. Next, you'll find the classic formatting tools to make text bold, italic, or underlined, and to align it left, center, right, or justified. If you click the More menu, additional options appear. Add bulleted or numbered lists, increase or decrease indent, clear styles if formatting gets messy, apply strike-through, set superscript or subscript, or format selected text as code for snippets. You can also enrich your content directly from the toolbar. Insert links to turn selected text into a clickable URL, add emojis for a friendly touch when appropriate, and place images in line to support your message. For even more options, open the Insert menu. From here, you can add a call to action button, embed external content, insert a video, build a table for structured information, place special characters, drop in an anchor for in-page jumping, or add a non-breaking space to keep important words together on the same line. If you need deeper control, open the advanced menu. Source code lets you fine-tune the HTML behind your text, and show blocks helps you visualize the structure of your content as you edit. As you work, keep readability and consistency in mind. Choose heading levels that match your page's outline, use lists for scannability, and avoid overstyling so your design stays clean. And when a format doesn't look right, Clear Styles is a quick reset. That's it. Your rich text module is now in place, styled the way you want, and ready to enhance your page content.